Hello, this is Silvia Mendez and this is my Enhancement 9 project. For this enhancement, we needed to do some weekly activities that ended to have the product detail view like this, where if I go to one of the images, I will see the full-size image display with the product information and also a thumbnail image pertaining to that item that was displayed. So we can go to each one of these and we will see the same. The full-size image and the thumbnails. So the image that we were checking, the full size needs to be no larger than 500 pixels. So for that purpose we go to the inspect element, and here we can see that this one is 338 to 400, the full size one. And if we go to the thumbnail, this one cannot be larger than 2 pixels wide or tall. So to see how these work, we have to go to the upload. And upload a picture. So let's go to the TNT and we are going to upload this one. And we can see that it is let's go to the TNT. It's here. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go to the small bomb and let's choose this cherry bomb. So we upload it. I did a couple one. And here is the cherry bomb. So if we go to here is this one I make and this other one. Okay, so this this view is also validated in HTML. And in CSS. Okay, and in the PHP administration tool, we can go to images and we can see the two versions, the full size and the thumbnail of each one of the images that I upload. Okay, thanks. This is my Enhancement 9 project and thanks for watching.